Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nordia and today I'll be showing you my powder room, and unfortunately I have lost the footage of what this bathroom looked like before, which I'm really bummed about, but there's nothing I can do about that now, so I'm just gonna keep it moving. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So basically everything in this bathroom was replaced. The toilet, the floor, the vanity, the mirror, lighting, everything was replaced except for the drywalls. We didn't gut it down to the studs. My husband removed the old tiles from the floor, then we replaced them with these beautiful marble mosaic tiles. He also removed the old vanity and replaced it with this one, and we had a friend who's a plumber come in and remove the old toilet and replaced it with this new one. From the outside, this structure looked as if someone took a big box and dropped it right in the middle of our family room. I have no idea why they didn't just bring the walls all the way up to the ceiling. It would have made more sense. And we had several quotes to get that job done, but they were asking for way too much. So my husband decided to take some time out of his busy schedule and just do it himself. And I think he did an amazing job. The two wooden shelves are actually a 4-foot piece of lumber which I got from Lowe's. I had them cut it in half. I stained it and they were attached to the walls using these brackets which I got from Amazon. I love that little sign above the toilet, and it also came from Amazon. Those two brass swans as well as the clock were also flea market finds. The two wooden silhouette people also came from a flea market. They came with double stick tape because they were meant to be glued to a vertical surface such as a wall or a door, but I wanted them to be freestanding, so I glued pieces of wooden blocks together. Then I glued the silhouette people onto the wooden blocks, and now they're freestanding. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please show that by giving the video a thumbs up. I am just trying to grow my little channel over here, so it really does help when you like my videos. It helps with how YouTube's algorithm put videos out. Videos with most likes gets put towards the top of the search results. And it also helps to motivate me and to get me more excited to want to do more videos. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I appreciate you for watching, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. So until then, big up on yourself.